In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design and format messages in Slack. When you're working in Slack, how you present your message can be just as important as what you say. Clear formatting helps your teammates quickly understand what's important, what's a link, what's a quote, and what's code or instructions. So in this walkthrough, we're going to focus on using the Message Composer toolbar to design cleaner, more readable messages. Start by opening any channel or direct message in Slack and click inside the message box at the bottom of the screen. On the right side of that box, you'll see a small icon that looks like the letters AA. This is your formatting or message composer toolbar. Go ahead and click that icon. When you do, a row of formatting tools appears, similar to what you might see in a word processor. You'll use these tools to style your text without memorizing any special shortcuts. Let's begin with basic emphasis. Type a short sentence, then highlight the part you want to stand out. On the toolbar, click the B icon to make that text bold, or click the I icon to make it italic. Bold is great for key terms, headers, or action items. Italics work well for subtle emphasis, side notes, or labels. You can combine them, but try not to overuse formatting. Too much styling can actually make a message harder to read. Next, let's turn text into a list. Lists are really useful when you're sharing multiple ideas, tasks, or steps. Type a few separate lines of text, then highlight them. On the toolbar, choose the bulleted list icon to create a simple, unordered list, or choose the numbered list icon when the order of items matters, like step-by-step instructions. Using lists instead of long paragraphs helps your teammates scan information quickly. Now, if you want to add a clickable link, first type the text you want to display, such as project documentation or view the design file. Highlight that text, then click the link icon in the toolbar. A small window appears where you can paste the full URL. After you paste it, click Save. Your selected text is now a clean hyperlink, and your message stays tidy without long, messy URLs. You can also decorate your message with quotes. To do this, place your cursor on the line you want to quote and click the block quote icon on the toolbar. The line will be indented and styled differently, which is perfect for calling out important statements, requirements, or messages you're responding to. Finally, if you work with snippets of code, commands, or technical output, the code block icon is your best friend. Click into the message box, then select the code block icon, which looks like a set of angled brackets. A dedicated code block area appears where you can paste or type your code. This preserves spacing, uses a monospaced font, and keeps technical content separate from your regular text, making it much easier for others to read and copy. By getting comfortable with the Message Composer toolbar, you can turn plain Slack messages into clear, structured communication that your team can quickly understand and act on.